because the goal is to isolate this hip to the mat. So as I circle here, I'm going to take my hands and I'm going to keep feeding my leg. Right? This is wrapped around right here. The shoulder pressure is going down towards the mat. Right? I can't just drop my head and chest and then I start to get myself out of position to start crawling. So I got to keep everything tight. Right? But what I'm doing with my shoulder right now makes it move. Right? Because I'm wrapping. So this all locks into place right now as I create that angle that I need. Right? I'm not going to a knee. I'm keeping this leg up right here as I slide. And now I'm going to try to drive in my shoulders. Right? I'm putting my body and I'm going to keep sliding, until I don't fall and make the release here. Right? Probably, and sometimes you do it right off the shot. You take a high drop shot and have it fall. That's pretty common too. So if I can take my high drops and I shoot, a lot of times just by default we end up here. When the guy tries to put us there, or he just over penetrates with a shot, or if we get caught in there, we're going to get in this position. Right here, right? Wrapping. Here. This hand right here. Doing this motion. All this hand is doing is pulling this tight to me as I start to move and create this motion. Slide. Slide. I don't drop my head and chest. I let this body drop my head and chest. As I keep moving, I'll bring that down. That motion right here. I want to be inside the pocket. What I talk about is my shoulder can't be all the way out here because this guy's going to get the part screwed up. So what I got to do is I got to drop my shoulder inside here. All right, now I can wrestle. There's a ton of options I can do from this position. But I want to be to this place in the high crotch. Right here where my shoulder's buried in there. My hips, my feet are on the mat. I can move, I can swim. I can hide it over, right? But first thing I want to do is get to this position from here. So this guy's wrestling with me right here. Basically, just dropping my head, chest, slide. We're going to get to the crackdown.